I'm excited to welcome to the program World Doc Alan Lindemann. Doc, what's going on, man? How are you?
We're doing really well here, Neil, and you?
Fantastic. In today's topic, strep throat in children. What are the common strep throat symptoms in young children?
Well, it would be fever, and of course, if they have tonsils, they'd be probably enlarged, sometimes with pus, sore lymph nodes under the neck, chin, and feeling sluggish, tired. The kid wants to sleep all the time, doesn't want to eat or drink. So many common sore throat symptoms in pregnancy or in children.
Is it possible to have strep throat infection without having sore throat?
Well, actually it is, and this is really confusing for some providers and for some parents. And that's really the reason I wanted to talk about this, because children can present with a strep throat infection, not really have a sore throat, but their presenting symptoms are frequently abdominal pain and vomiting.
Is strep throat infection hard to treat?
Generally speaking, not at all hard to treat. Depends on what you use, but it is really sensitive to penicillin and the penicillin derivatives like amoxicillin and ampicillin. And of course, it really does well with Rocephin. And Rocephin is a relative of penicillin, and it's given IM. It's not given by mouth. But if you give that, usually the child is well the next day.
All right. What symptoms are not part of strep throat?
Well, these include viral illness like cough, hoarseness, red eyes, runny nose.
When can my child return to school or daycare?
That's usually after the first 24 hours. They're considered not to be infectious. But remember, strep is extremely infectious.
When should I take my child to the doctor?
Well, of course, anytime you think your child is sick, but if they're sluggish, they don't want to wake up, they want to sleep all day long, they're having abdominal pain, they have a fever, if they're old enough to have a to talk about having a headache, abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, not eating, not drinking, those are all reasons to take your child to a doctor.
All right, the best place to go is worlddocallen.com and pick up Pregnancy Your Way, available today on Amazon. Thanks, Doc.
Thank you, Neil.
All right, that was the World Doc Allen podcast, guys.